Don't fall.
You have to take.
Move over.
Get in the middle.
Golly.
Yeah, not nothing.
There's no eyewear. He's not supposed to be wearing them.
Hey, there's another guy over there wearing them. There's another guy doing it. So. There's other people doing it, Mom, so it's fine.
Try to go higher.
Higher!
Come on, do it.
Higher!
Don't crack your head open though, because you are our bill payer. Not just because I love you. Move it up.
I got one of Justin before, and it looks like he's taller than that cruise line.
Nice.
What? Yeah, she hit me too. We'll have to talk about it with Dad in a second.
Do it.
Come on! Do it, Dad! Higher!
Higher.
Get higher than Dad!
Look at it being a whip over there. Get up there!
Hey, Wim, get over there!
This is going on Facebook. Get up there.
Yeah. He's a quitter. He's a quitter. See? He's
You're
a quitter.
Wim. Wim.
That is a lot.
That's fun though, right? Yeah. It's fun.
That's great.